Uwi na.
$3D lang yan siya pa.
Hello, Dang. Hindi ka pa tulog? Ay, hindi ka pa tulog. Aga mo nagising.
Nagkukulay yung mga bata. Tapos, iska-scan dyan para makita yung mga drawing nila dito. Oh.
Ayun.
Hoy, pakulay mo si baby, dali. Turuan mo si baby. Kaya nga dang wala kaming dalang trolley niya. Ayan, nakalimutan ng papa niya. Yan tuloy. Pabuhat, mabigat. Yan, hihingi siya ng papel, magsusulat din siya. Magda-drawing siya. Dali. Dito, dito. Here
Here. Green.
Kaya minsan gusto talaga magpabuhat. Usulatan niya, Alexa, para doon makikita niya doon mamaya. Magda-drawing siya, magkukulay siya, tapos makikita niya doon mamaya yung niya. Makikita niya dito sa screen yung kinulay niya. Dali, color ka na, dali. Alexa. Sulat tayo, Alexa. Alexa. Ano ka pa? Alexa. Diki ka. Alexa. Bulpan. Yan. Eyes ng shark yan, oh, baby, oh. Yan, kulay ng shark yan, oh. Siya pa kulayin mo. Ito, oh, yellow. Then, orange. Magkukulay siya, tapos lagay doon. Mamaya makikita niya doon yung drawing niya. Dali. Dali, bilisan mo magkulay. Bilisan mo magkulay, dali. Oh, ito pa. Dito sa loob magkulay. Buntot kulay, dito, oh. Dito sa loob. Turuan mo siya magkulay sa loob pa. Oh, orange. Green, green. Dito, oh, inside.
Inside here, inside. Yehey. Inside, yehey.
Ano magkakulay yung fish mo niyan mamaya? Lagyan mo ng big eyes yung fish mo dito. Circle. Walang kulay yung fish mo.
Patay na nanonood.
Kulayan mo yung fish mo dito, oh. Orange. Dito, her like that, oh. Like that.
Hindi pa tulog si Budang? Alas 12 na?
Nanonood. Alexa. O, dali na, bigay mo na doon. Palanguyin na natin yung fish. Dali na, bigay mo na yung ano mo doon.
Just give that one there. There.
O dali, give mo na yung ano mo.
Wait. Video is here.
Yun. O hanapin mo na yung fish niya dyan.
Ayan, Alexa. Face.
Saan? Big?
Where?
Ay, ito. Ayan na.
Ayun.
Ayun na, dali. Ayun na. Oh. Nawala na.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Fish, oh.
Hindi yan. Nawala na yung fish mo. Ayan ang fish mo. Yung fish niya, ayan na. Ituro mo yung fish niya. Ayan na, wala na naman. O, nasaan na? Wala na yung fish mo, anak. Ayun na.
مستورة
Ayun na sa taas, ayun na.
تعالي مستورة اوكي مني مستورة اوكي مني بصورك
Yung fish niya.
Ay, hindi pa tayo nakapunta dun sa may taas.
Saan?
Hindi na ba yun?
Same lang yun. Ano, gusto mo nang lumabas ha? Papasok ka pa?
Saka pa.
Ha?
Maaga po, 7:35 pa lang.
E di balik ka ulit dun.
Saan?
Dun.
Dito na lang. Oh. Pwede nga
Hindi.
bumalik dun eh. Pwede naman dun.
Dito na, halika na. Ayan, baby, of fish, oh. Sige na, ipakita mo sa kanya yung ano kanina, yung mga penguin. Medyo malamig dito ng konti. Ayan. O, akyat. Ibaba mo lang siya pa. Adventure sa kagubatan. Kagubatan tsaka sa karagatan. Ayan. Jump! Pop! Ay, wah. Ay, yung pusa na sinasabi, patay naman yung pusang yan. Gising na ba? Patay. Patay na. Wala. Pero bakit tulog? Dapat gising.
Tulog.
Hindi kaya humihinga.
Tutulog yan.
May tubig naman sila. Dito. Saan? Yung anak mo pa. Parang ang baho dito. Bird bang nandyan? Oh, bird na. Ano? Tulog ata. Common name, common barn owl. Barn owl. Eurasian eagle. Eurasian eagle. Zerda. Phoenix. Fox ang nandito. Fox. Fox.
Baby fox.
Baby fox.
Baby fox.
Ito, bakit may egg? Ay, akala ko egg. Anong meron dito? Ah, alam mo yung ano pa? Scorpion. Bakit may butas?
Wala na, patay na.
Na-dead na siya. Anong ano dito?
Hello, Mr. Boa. Do you know what this is?
Ayun yung snake, oh.
Excuse to me by now.
Really? It's a real snake?
It's a mistake.
No, but mommy, this is a common snake. It's called a
Sleeping.
boa. We'll go put after the boa, and then
What this one?
It's the Madagascar fishing cockroach.
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 Cockroach. But it's a clean cockroach, so they live in the forest. They eat fruits and vegetables.
Mm.
A lot of I'm sorry, but there's no touching for now because of COVID.
Ah, yeah. Maybe have COVID din problem.
But everyone touching the same thing, that's not yet allowed.
Ay, yes.
She's become tired. How about the others?
It look like a plastic.
Snails, tortoise, hedgehog. That's the only ones I can take out. So do you want to see anything specific? Because I'm about to switch the others.
No. I'm afraid.
I might pick out the hedgehog.
What is that?
Hedgehog. You'll see it now. Just give me 1 minute.
No, baby, don't touch. Papa, wag mo pahawak sa kanya. Ah, meron siyang lagayan. Ah. Alexa, come, see. Hawakan mo si Alexa pa para makita mo kung ano yung papakita niya.
Snake, oh.
I-demo niya kung ano yan. Anong klaseng insect. Yan ba yung fish mo, nako? Ganda ng fish mo. Yung kulay ni fish nasa labas na. Pa, yung sanitizer mo nasaan? Ano mo nga. Nako, nagdala ka ng crayons na. Buti hindi siya takot, no? Yo. Desert waters. Ano yan siya? Oh. Baby, see, my
This is
God.
baby.
No, not the baby. They're much smaller if they're younger. So hedgehogs usually live in captivity up to like 6 years, around 6 years.
Hedgehogs.
Maybe
Peppa
4 or
Pig.
5.
Yun na baby Peppa Pig. There's a
If you touch that
hedgehog.
one,
You will get hurt.
Not hurt, but it does poke. So other animals will be more bothered because when an animal attacks, it will usually bite.
Ah, yeah.
So like biting it, that's one way to protect the hedgehog.
Ah, yes,
because
yeah.
It will be only like spikes.
But if you touch like
Kind of like toothpicks.
yeah.
Kind of like toothpicks.
what food that one?
So hedgehogs are actually interesting. They eat everything.
Ev-
So anything from fruits, vegetables,
Ah.
also scorpions and snakes. And Kuwait specifically, they always put them in their farms because they'll eat the scorpions, the snakes, any dead animal.
Ah,
So they clean. Yeah, it's useful.
So you become pet also.
Yeah, a lot of people keep them as pets.
Ah, okay, no.
But you know, it's not good to take them from the desert or from farms because they're useful there.
Ah, yes.
They need them.
Hedgehog.
That's why.
Sometimes people, because most of these animals are surrendered, people started bringing in too many hedgehogs. So we started explaining to them like.
Ah,
you
there's
should
a
leave the
snail. This one snail.
hedgehog. Yeah.
What's the suso?
Susu, yeah. In
They
Tagalog,
have
susu.
they have there in the Philippines same like that.
Yeah.
In farm,
That
too
is
much.
from the Asian, right?
But this
Asian
one is
country.
the giant African.
Giant African.
Yeah,
Giant African.
Pretty much the
How
same
about the
they do
others?
same thing.
They
Snake,
have all.
frog,
Lizards.
lizard, frog.
The... Sorry, I forgot the name. I forgot
Uh,
Naliksan, no?
my mind.
Yeah. Which one? Which one?
But not in Kuwait. They like they keep them as pets.
Which one?
All three of them are the same.
Oh,
They keep them as pets.
this one lizard, this one snails.
This scorpion.
This one
that
scorpion, the other
scorpion.
one.
Yeah, scorpions.
It's dangerous, right? Scorpion.
Yeah. We have also different
Alexa, stand up.
deals it with like a long stick because if it stays.
Okay, thank you. Let's go there. Let's see some fish. Hold mo, dali. Thank you.
It's a big snake.
That is a real big snake.
The boa, they feed them every Sunday. Mine.
Alexa. Pa. Open the door, Papa. Open the door.
Sure fish. Thank you. Sure.